BOEING 777 maintenance tip: erasing ECAS status messages latched by AIMS, which is an abbreviation, Aeroplane Information Management System. So the AIMS can latch ECAS messages even when we've corrected faults, and then once the fault's corrected, the message can still show. So we'll go through the process of how to erase that. So, going through the video, go to the display select panel, push the lower center switch and select status. It brings up all the current status messages. Ignore the top three, that's because the ADAs are not aligned. We're looking at the APU. Push the menu key on the CDU, followed by maintenance info display. Select chapter ATA 31. Show display. There's the erasable status messages. Move the cursor to erase. Go back to main menu. Go back to the status page. There we go. And as you see, the status message for the APU has been deleted.